Did you know that 80% of all data has a geographic component? Imagine turning that data into powerful visual maps without needing to be a GIS expert. Mapping software can feel overwhelming. Meet MAPOG, an interactive mapping platform designed to help you visualize, analyze, and share geospatial data effortlessly. Whether you're in healthcare, urban planning, education, or business, MAPOG helps you make data-driven decisions. Take hospital risk analysis, for example. By uploading solid waste and hospital data of an area using the Upload Vector tool, we can use Neighbor tool to identify the hospitals at high-risk zones. Take further actions upon that. From classroom learning to business insights, MAPOG transforms raw data into clear, impactful visuals. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime. Thank you for using MAPOG.